So are you looking for a heavy-duty tripod with amazing features and an affordable price? Well, check this one out from K&F. It's packed full of features, including one of my favorite ones, which is this one right here. So let me tell you all about it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. And I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it easily down there, plus a surprise link. And here it is. First of all, it has aluminum alloy tubing, making it kind of lightweight, but also heavy duty. The legs have this beautiful locking mechanism where you just twist to unlock, and look at how long those legs are. When it's all compact together, it could sit about 2 feet, but when you open it up all the way, this goes all the way up to an impressive 8 feet. And one of the legs actually twists off as well, and now you have a very nice monopod that you could take with you, get some really cool shots, hold it up really high, or even use it as a walking stick. The legs are also adjustable, so if you need to get to uneven surfaces like stairways, or just if the ground's uneven and you need to get that more sturdy shot, you can kind of angle it the way you want to, and you can also lock it in place with an Allen key. You can replace these bottom rubber feet and put on spikes, so if you're on grass or dirt and you want to like dig it in a little bit. This center column is really impressive too. For one, at the bottom you do have a hook, so you can put a backpack or a sandbag on it just to give it more stability. But you can twist this part right here and the column pulls up really high, and you can twist right here and it even goes up higher. And one of the cool things is at this point you can actually angle the arm down and get an overhead shot, which this is also adjustable too. You can actually go through this side, and you can even use motion to it and get like a sliding kind of shot. You can also unscrew the bottom, and you can take the center column out and put it in upside down if you want to get really low to the ground shots. The ball head itself is really impressive. For one, you have a 360-degree fluid pan, and you have your standard ball head tilt going all the way down to 90 degrees. Yeah, that's gonna support a payload up to 22 pounds, which is a really big payload. Like, you could put a lot of gear on here. And you have your standard plate, which goes onto most mounts. It's easy to pop on there, and you just tighten it, and there you go. But overall, it's a really beautiful tripod. Like, it's very simple, it's got really great features, and it comes in under 150 US. But do check out that link in the description for the most up-to-date current price. So that's really good value for a tripod like this, where you can put your big camera, and the fact that you can get an overhead shot, and it does some of those other really cool features. When you get this in your hands, you're gonna be like, wow, that's really nice. But my job here isn't to get you to spend your money. It's to show you what's out there, tell you how it works, tell you how it looks, tell you how it feels, and show you where you can get it, and then you make up your mind from there. And that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I have a lot of cool products to share with you on this channel, so do stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.